So anyway, phone rings, freaking 3 in the morning, wakes me out of a dead sleep. I'm scared to death thinking somebody's died or something, you know. I can't even see who it is. I just answer, you know, and it's my client on the other end. And she is slurring her words, and I could tell something's wrong, and I swear she's sincerely, like, must have over medicated herself or something. And she's telling me that her husband, like, she's telling me she's trying to have sex with her husband, and he doesn't want to. And she's like, damn it, I need it. And he's like, no, stop. He runs and he locks himself into the bathroom, and she's calling me from outside the bathroom door, and she's beating on the bathroom door. I can hear all of this going on in the background. He's like, no, stop, go back to sleep, go away. She's just like, come on, give it to me. I swear to God, I was mortified. I was so mortified. I was horrified, mortified, and like just every-fied. I mean, it was just one of the craziest things I'd ever heard in my entire life. And so anyway, I'm like, honey, y'all gotta work that out yourself. Click, hang up, you know. Take my phone, put it on silent. I'm like, oh my God. So anyway, I happen to also have her physician, her GP, as my client. Luck would have it, the man was coming in that week. So when he comes in, I tell him like what had, actually I didn't even tell him. I was so embarrassed because evidently she had left me a message after I hung up and put it on silent that the next day I did get the message, and I left it hang on my phone because I wanted her physician to know this, because he had to do something about it. He had to intervene. I am not doing it. You know, I'm a nail tech. So anyway, physician comes in, I'm doing his pedicure, I get him soaking, and I said, I think you need to hear this message. Left this message for me on my cell phone. I'm gonna excuse myself now while you listen to this, and then you do what you feel you have to do. And so I gave him my phone, I pulled up the message, and I just exited the room, and I was gone for a while because I could feel like my face burning red. I was so embarrassed, you know, because the message involved all kinds of personal sex things and cursing and things of that nature. So anyway, I come back into the room, and he's sitting there, and he hands me my phone. He's like, yep, sounds like I gotta adjust someone's meds. And so I was like, okay. And so we get to working, and we never spoke of it again. She, to this day, didn't know I did it, and he never said nothing. And that is my crazy client story. Peace out, nail tags.